Hey everyone, welcome back. Mirrorless cameras have taken over. They're smaller, faster, and show your exposure in real time. They're great for beginners, enthusiasts, and pros, with solid options at every budget. I spent months testing the best mirrorless cameras of 2026. Today, I'm breaking down the top 8, from beginner picks to pro-level gear. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, we have the Canon EOS R10, one of the best entry-level cameras you can buy. If you're looking for a well-rounded model that's accessible enough for newcomers but still offers more advanced features, the R10 nails that balance. It has great ergonomics, an intuitive user interface, and highly effective autofocus that makes it easy for beginners to get sharp shots. It also features quick burst shooting and excellent image quality for its class. For vloggers and video shooters, you can take advantage of 4K recording at up to 60 frames per second, though with a crop, as well as a dedicated high frame rate mode for slow motion recording at up to 120 frames per second in 1080p. It's at number 8 because it's an excellent entry-level camera that doesn't compromise on essential features. The autofocus is genuinely good, the ergonomics make it comfortable to use, and the video capabilities are solid for beginners. At number 7, we've got the Sony α6700, the best mid-range model tested. This is an impressive upgrade from Sony's older APS-C cameras, like the α6600. It features a new sensor and processor, including a new AI-powered chipset that gives the α6700 one of the most effective autofocus systems on the market. That AI-powered AF is legitimately impressive for tracking subjects. Another great choice in this price range is the Fujifilm X-S20. Its autofocus system isn't quite as reliable as Sony's, and it can't record 4K video at 120 frames per second. Those who prefer a more hands-off approach to editing will love Fuji's JPEG colors and film simulation profiles. It's at number 7 because it offers professional features in a compact APS-C body. The AI-powered autofocus is best in class for this price range, and the video specs are genuinely impressive. Coming in at number 6 is the Fujifilm X-T5, and if you prefer the portability and smaller lenses offered by the APS-C format, this is one of the best APS-C cameras available. It has the highest resolution APS-C sensor on the market with a 40.2 megapixel resolution that captures stunning detail and gives you more leeway to crop your images. The camera's relatively portable design, tilting screen, and dedicated exposure dials are great for street photographers and make it easy to change settings on the fly. The camera even boasts impressive video features like 10-bit internal recording and 4K capture at up to 60 frames per second. For hybrid shooters, this is a seriously capable option. It's at number 6 because it delivers flagship APS-C performance with that incredible 40.2 megapixel sensor, excellent build quality, and those beautiful Fujifilm colors in film simulations. For APS-C shooters who prioritize image quality and portability, this is hard to beat. At number 5, we have the Nikon Z6 III, the best full-frame mirrorless model tested overall. If you're a hybrid or video shooter, this is one of the few cameras with internal RAW video capability. It can record in up to 6K at 30 frames per second, with 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, making it incredibly versatile for professional video work. Beyond that, it's just a very well-built and comfortable camera to shoot with. It has a high-resolution viewfinder, in-body image stabilization, and CF Express card support for fast data transfer. The one big downside is that Nikon's Z-mount lens lineup is more limited than competitors like the Sony α7 IV. However, the Sony is a bit less capable for video and has slower burst shooting. All in all, the Z6 III is an impressive camera that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. It's at number 5 because it's the best full-frame hybrid camera for most professionals. The partially stacked sensor, internal RAW video, and excellent autofocus make it genuinely versatile. Number 4 brings us the unbelievably beautiful Hasselblad X2D2100C, and this is a whole different category of camera. The X2D2100C is the second generation of Hasselblad's 100-megapixel professional mirrorless body. Unlike the manufacturer's other traditional cameras like the Hasselblad 907X plus 100C, the X2D line packs the huge medium-format sensor into a modern mirrorless body, giving professionals the handling and features they need when shooting. The 100-megapixel medium-format sensor delivers image quality that's simply in a different league. The dynamic range, the color depth, the sheer resolution. This is what you use for commercial work, high-end portraits, and landscape photography where every detail matters. It's at number 4 because it's a specialized tool for a specific audience. This isn't a camera for casual photography or even most professionals. But for commercial photographers, high-end portrait work, and serious landscape photography where medium-format image quality justifies the investment, the X2D2100C is stunning. At number 3, we've got the Canon EOS R50V, and this launched in March 2025 as my favorite vlogging camera for beginners. It builds substantially on the Canon EOS R50, which was already one of my top picks for beginners but was a little weak in the video department. Canon fixed that. It also features Canon's excellent subject detection autofocus system to ensure you're always in perfect focus. For vloggers filming themselves, that face and eye detection is a game changer. The compact size makes it easy to hold at arm's length or mount on a small gimbal. The flip screen is perfect for framing yourself. It's at number 3 because it's the best vlogging camera for beginners. Period. The combination of 4K 60 frames per second, excellent autofocus, compact size, and beginner-friendly operation makes it perfect for content creators. The affordable price means you can invest in good lenses and audio equipment. For anyone starting a YouTube channel or creating content, this is the camera to get. Coming in at number 2 is the Fujifilm X-T33, and I've reviewed both this and its predecessor, the X-T32. The X-T33 features the same 26-megapixel image sensor as its predecessor, the X-T32. That's a significant upgrade that makes a real difference in use. It also benefits from the latest Fujifilm X Processor 5, which brings reduced power consumption despite having the same battery as its predecessor, as well as improved image processing. You get better battery life and faster performance from the same physical battery. The compact size, excellent image quality, and those beautiful Fujifilm colors and film simulations make this perfect for enthusiast photographers who prioritize the shooting experience. It's at number 2 because it delivers enthusiast-level image quality and features in a compact, beginner-friendly package. For beginners who want to grow into photography seriously, this is exceptional value despite the higher price. And finally, at number 1, the Nikon Z5 II. After it launched in April 2025, I utterly adored testing this camera, and I was even a little shocked at the sheer value for money it offers. This camera is ideal for enthusiast photographers upgrading from their beginner camera to something more serious. It's especially suited to anyone who thinks paid professional work might be on the horizon, as it has useful pro features like dual card slots and advanced subject detection autofocus. The build quality feels substantial without being overly heavy. The ergonomics are excellent for all-day shooting. It's at number 1 because it delivers professional-grade features and image quality at an enthusiast price point. The dual card slots alone make it wedding-ready. The excellent autofocus and subject detection compete with cameras costing significantly more. For enthusiast photographers ready to upgrade or beginners who want to buy once and grow into their camera, the Nikon Z5 II is simply the best choice. Alright, that wraps up the top 8 mirrorless cameras of 2026. Specs matter, but the best camera is the one you'll actually use. Choose based on what you shoot and the lens system you plan to invest in, because lenses last longer than camera bodies. Drop a comment with what you're shooting on, like and subscribe for more honest camera reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.